Okay, come on. Big bucks, big bucks. Stop!
Stop. Randy.
I'm open! Throw me the bomb!
It was not an Oklahoma Sooner.
No.
Something. Was
not
that
at all.
Texas? Yeah, it looked like it. 5 spins left, Lisa. No bucks. Are you ready to go?
We're going. We
right.
can make it. Okay, come on. Now we can get that car. No. Let's go. Stop!
Stop at 500 a spin.
All right.
Second place, $500, 5 spins.
Okay, come on. Big money. Big money. Stop!
Stop at $800, 1,500, 4 spins.
Okay. Big money. Come on. Stop!
Stop at $750 in a spin. That's $2,050, 8,000 less than Don, and you have 4 spins, Lisa.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Big money. Big money. Let's go. Stop!
Stop at Palm Springs, Lisa. That trip to PS is worth $1,200, $3,250, 3 spins. About
I'm going to pass them to
7,000.
Don.
You're going to pass the 3 spins to Don? Little strategy here, Don. 10,050 riding on 3 spins. Here we go.
All right, here we go. There's only 3 up there. Let's roll for it here. Big bucks. Stop.
Stop at $750, just avoided the whammy. $10,800, 2 more spins you have to take, Don.
All right, 2 to go here. 2 to go. Let's
Lot of money
go. That's
riding.
a whole ball of wax here. Ready and stop.
So, stop at $1,500. Just avoided the whammy again, $12,300. Don, you have 1 more spin you have to take. You have $12,300. If you avoid the whammy, you'll win the game. If you whammy, you'll be very unhappy, and Lisa will win the game. Are you ready for the 1 spin, Don?
I want to be happy. Let's
All
get
right,
it going
Lisa,
here.
Don,
All right.
$12,300 ready for 1 spin. Who's the champ?
Ready and stop.
Stop at $500 a spin. $12,800, Don. You now have 1 spin. You can press your luck or pass it. You have $9,550 more than
Pass
Lisa. 1
it
spin to you, Lisa. You have to take it. You're going to have to get something with an additional spin to stay in the game. If you don't, Don will win it. Here we go.
Okay, let's go. Stop 5,000 in a spin. 5,000. Stop!
Stop at $2,000. It is not enough. And Don, you're the champ today with $12,800. We'll come back and figure out what you won after these words. Congratulations. We're back with today's big Pressure Up winner down with $12,800. And Rod Roddy, the illustrious one, is going to lay on you one of those great prizes, Rod.
Thank you, Peter. Don, listen to this. You won Gordon Jewelers' gracefully styled diamond solitaire pendant set in 14-karat gold from Gordon's Jewelers. That prize totals $500, combined with the $12,300 in cash you won, and that gives you a grand total down of $12,800. Congratulations.
All right, Don. $12,300 in cash and $500 diamond, and with the $12,300 you can buy a magnifying glass large enough to find the diamond. Hey, what a deal. And Lisa, you're leaving us with $34,400. Congratulations. Cheryl, we've got some nice prizes for you so you don't go empty-handed. I thank you. Remember, Don, $750 goes to Mickey Mantle. Until next time, this is Peter Tomarken. Thanks for pressing your luck. Bye-bye.
These numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Hay plus L. Hail. C's plus ear. C's ear. Hail Caesar! If you could do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hi, everyone. Welcome to our show. Please join me in welcoming back our champion, who played brilliantly on yesterday's program, winning 2 consecutive games, came within just this far of winning a brand new car. It might happen today. We'll find out soon. He's won $5,440. His name is Joe Pruch. Joe, welcome back.
Thank you, Alex. Glad to be back.
Ready?
I'm ready to start one more time.
Okay, you've already spoken to your challenger
Yes, I
in this
have.
game today. She is a newcomer to Classic Concentration. This is Lynn Engelman.
Yes.
Hi, Lynn Engelman.
Hi.
Where are you from?
I'm originally from Idaho.
Idaho.
I spent the past 6 months in the state of Washington, and I just moved back down here.
Back down here, so you were here before. What
Yeah.
kind of work do you do?
I'm not right now.
You're not? That's okay. Then you want to win
Just
some
having
prizes
fun.
and some holidays. Take a look over here. This is something really neat.
Ride a burro into the sunset as you and a friend visit one of our country's most majestic settings, the Grand Canyon. We'll fly you and your guests from Los Angeles to Las Vegas, where SkyWest Airlines Courteous Crew will fly you to St. George, Utah. In St. George, you pick up your Avis 7-day car rental from their fine selection of cars and drive to Grand Canyon Lodge on the undiscovered, incredibly romantic side of the canyon for 3 nights of sightseeing and mule rides. Then on to the natural wonder of the monolith at Zion Lodge for 3 nights. Accommodations furnished by TW Recreational Services Incorporated. Alex.
I love the music. Even though it is not the Grand Canyon Suite, Joe and Lynn, take a look on the board and we will show you where you will find this great tour of the Grand Canyon at number 21. And Lynn, you get to pick first because you are the challenger on the program today. Good luck to you.
Okay, I want some wild cards. Let's try number 13 in the middle.
Green take.
I could use that. Let's go for a match under number 24.
No, diamond and topaz earrings is what we have there, so we go right over to our champion, Joe.
Let's try it. Let's start out with number 15.
Green take.
And the middle, number 13.
Green take, just like that. Man knows how to do it. Open it up quickly. Select again.
Okay, let's try number 2 this time.
Tour of the Grand Canyon.
How about number, let's say, 21?
Let's say 21 because that happens to be the right